It's not a regular thing.
What are you doing? Bless you. Bless you.
Messages, Walt, plural. I probably called you
What are you
5
doing?
times.
Hey, Shane.
I'm not leaving here
What are you
until
doing?
you're so upset.
What is he
Are you
doing?
kidding? Is that what this is? Please, God, tell me the cancer isn't bad.
No,
What?
not the cancer.
Hi,
Something happened. I don't
cutie.
mean to
What you doing?
point the finger, but this
No,
didn't just
you-
come out of nowhere. It's time to tell me
Shane.
the truth, Walt. All of it. I need it.
Say hi.
You're right.
Hello. What are you doing? You need to go to bed. It's late. It's past your bedtime, little turd.